Hey guys, welcome to Odoo Apps News by Pragmatic. In this series of episodes we will present interesting Odoo apps, Odoo-related news and Odoo tips. Sometimes while using Odoo, debranding is an important work. Editing all the HTML and CSS can be a very painful job as Odoo keyword is present at multiple locations. But luckily there are apps which allows you do this seamlessly. There are several apps which do this. In this episode we will focus on Backend Debranding. It deletes Odoo label and footer, replaces Odoo and Windows title change powered by Odoo and login screen. This is a free app by sunpop.c and there is another app by Webco which is paid and cost €30. It has features such as configurable backend favicon and title brand. User can replace Odoo's default favicon and title from the backend with new ones of his choice. Replace Odoo's logo from backend. Replaces Odoo's logo from backend to your company's logo. Backend's page footer updated. Removes powered by Odoo from backend footer. User drop-down menu updated. Removes my Odoo.com account option from the user drop-down at backend. Login page updated. Removes Odoo from backend web login layout. Backend settings page updated. Removes Odoo form settings, for example App Store icon, social share, implementation. Email template updated. Removes Odoo from email templates. Backend dialog box view updated. Replaces Odoo from dialog box. Odoo planners updated. Removes Odoo from helps and planners. Backend Odoo notification updated. Replaces Odoo from Odoo notifications. If you need any professional help to learn more on how to use it, you can connect with us at sales@pragmatic.co.in. Subscribe to our channel in case not done so.